feel like there should be more cheese. Ta-da! First time eating pizza in, pretty sure, 7 years. And I splurged and got stuffed crust. So, I went out and got it because Dominoes was charging $13 for a delivery, and we do not live far from there, so I went out and got it. My mouth's salivating. The reason I haven't eaten a pizza in 7 years, I don't know, I was trying to eat healthier.
So I was doing kind of keto, and then was trying to work through IBS, irritable bowel syndrome. But I know that I can eat some
gluten now, and sometimes it's just like, screw it. I've been so craving it, and my partner and his dad have been eating pizzas. So I thought, it's time. It's time to eat one. And I always love pepperoni the most, so let's try it. This is actually, take this down. Actually, my partner and I celebrating our 2-year anniversary, and this is how we're doing it. I don't know. I feel like there should be some more cheese. Let's try this stuffed crust. That's good. I love cheese. I'm a cheese fiend. I would just eat a piece of cheese or melt cheese and eat it. So, was I missing out on anything? To be honest, I think the keto versions are kind of almost better because there's more cheese. I know you could add cheese, but I don't know. That just seems like not very much cheese. But somehow, pepperoni is always better than what you can buy from a store, in my opinion. Kind of underwhelming. I remember pizza being better. I'm like I prefer more cheese, less base. So this is a very thin base, but not so much cheese. I don't know. I think maybe another place could be better. In Australia, there's GPK, Gourmet Pizza Kitchen. They do some good pizzas. It's just old pizza. The Jamaican pizza from there is really good. But the stuffed crust is really good. That's the best part of this pizza. I think it looks better than it tastes. I'm at the point in my life, in my dieting journey, where I just don't really give a poo about, like, you want the pizza, eat the pizza, you know? Also, put myself on a budget the past couple of weeks. $20 for each week. Let me tell you what, buying for when you have IBS on a $20 weekly budget doesn't cut it. Also, extremely hard to be vegan because you can't. My son was so upset this week because I had bought kidney beans and lentils, and nope. Jess from the future here say my stomach feels not good after eating this pizza too, so what are you gonna do? I had to try it though, didn't I? What do you guys think of pizza? Where's the best pizza place? I've just seen Trisha Paytas eating Dominoes, and my partner always eats Dominoes, so I don't know. I always thought Pizza Hut was better, but I haven't eaten it though in years, so. I can't help it. I should have gotten an extra pepperoni. What are you guys eating at the moment? What's your favorite meals? Out of 10? It's like a 5. Probably be better with beer. But I didn't want to drink beer on camera, so I don't really think I'd be missing out. But you feel like you're missing out. I don't know, maybe this just isn't a great pizza. What's the best pizza? Tell me. $13 delivery fee. That is so bad. Delivery Easy doesn't even charge that much for people that live far away. I don't know. I've been really excited to eat pizza for like a month now. I've been waiting to treat myself until I got paid. Kind of underwhelmed. For not eating pizza for 7 years. That was underwhelming. I don't think Domino's is it. What's the best pizza place? Let me know. Sam's Club had really good pizza when we were living in the States. Oh, maybe it's more salty or something. Anyway, thanks for joining me for eating pizza that I haven't had in 7 years. Bye.